Pat, what a love you have.
Oh, he is handsome. This is Trey Masson. Yes, he's a 2-year-old hound mix. Brown and white, beautiful ears, beautiful body. He is all of 47 pounds. Kind of a slender hound mix.
It's very sweet and affectionate
Yes,
and
he
gentle.
is. He is gentle. Very quiet in the kennel. He doesn't get all excited when you go by. And you know, since Melissa's been talking about hounds, they are just a good family dog. They're he's just so happy to be out of that old kennel, aren't you? Yes. He has been neutered, so he is microchipped. He's had his first shots, rabies included, and he is heartworm negative, and he likes the scratches right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
And he did his business once he got out here, so he's been holding it. And so that's good. He might be house trained, or if not, he likes to keep a clean house.
You like
so it
that.
should be
Oh,
easy
right
to
there,
do.
right there.
Oh,
Is
look
that
at him
the
smile.
spot?
Look at him smile.
He just cuddled up.
He is.
He's just going to be a slender dog. He's just such a graceful, beautiful animal. Look at him run. He must have some ground.
Yeah. Well, you know, I thought that too. He's kind of got, you know, how greyhounds kind of are slender, of course. And
yeah. Of course, they're much more slender than he is, but he's just a gorgeous guy. Good boy. Good boy. Yes.
Hey, buddy. Well, hello. You're so affectionate.
Yes, he is. Come on over here and see me. Yes.
Oh, hey.
Yeah. Yes.
We were talking about Trey Maison. Sounds like a French restaurant or something, but he's, they say the French are into the amour, and he definitely is. He is a lover. He is a lover. Please come see him. This is our buddy Trey Maison, and he is hoping for a reservation at your table for a lifetime. Please come see this sweetie at Nassau County Animal Services in Yulee, Florida, behind the AutoZone on State Road 200. Oh, he is a love. Please come see Trey Maison.